Hello, in this video we create some project QR code generator using Python. How you generate QR code, okay, using Python. We'll see now. Simple project it is. First of all, you have to know what is QR code generator. So a QR code generator maker or generator a software that lets user create their own static and dynamic QR code, okay. Static and dynamic QR code. Difference between static and dynamic QR code is dynamic QR code you can edit and share, okay. In static QR codes you cannot be edited and shared easily, okay. That's the difference. And with this QR creator, user can choose what they want to share or show in the QR code, whether the website link or social media link or file. So example you can see here. So basically this we have to generate, this QR code we have to generate, and also whenever you scan this QR code using your phone, so it has to redirect to you mention link, whatever you mentioning, it has to redirect, okay. So how we created that link, how we created data, how we link the data to this QR code, we will see now, okay. Simple one project is. So to create that QR code, we have to import these two modules, QR code image module, simple pip install QR code. Go to the Visual Studio Code, go to the terminal, just use these two commands, pip install QR code, okay. I have already installed it, so if you did not install, just use these comments here and enter it, okay. Simple. And after installing those two modules, this QR code module generate QR code, okay. This QR code module in Python used to generate QR codes, okay. It's a two-dimensional barcode that can store various type of information such as text, URL, contact information, whatever, okay. So if you scan this code, you can go to the text. You can, if you want to display text, you can display the text, or you can redirect to the URL or whatever, okay. So this you have to import this first. Step one, you have to import these two modules now. Just import QR code. Okay, and next thing, import image for image representation, okay. Image, right. And next step 2, and step 2, the QR code class is used to create QR code instance, create QR code object, okay. Create this QR code instance object using, okay, this QR code class is there. So in QR code module, QR code class is there. So with that we have to create an object using these parameters. We have to give values to these parameters, version and box size and border, okay. How we create means simple one. So in QR code module, QR code class is there. We have to create object first. So simple QR is equal to, okay, QR code, okay, this module dot QR code class is there in the QR code module. Okay, so QR code class is there. It's QR code class. In this QR code class, there are three parameters are there. We have to fill that parameters. Version is equal to 15. Give some box size. I will explain it now. The box size, because there is box size will be there, no? How much box size, and border is equal to 5. Okay, box underscore size. Okay, so if you, so this QR close with QR function, it is a class. So in this QR code module, this class is there. We have to create this QR code object with you know how to create an object, okay, with these parameters. What this parameters means? Simple. Version means it represents parameter size of the complexity of QR. It has different version number 1 to 40. Each version has different size, can store different amount of data, okay. So 1 to 40 you can give versions here. I am using 15 here, and boxes simple this size, okay. So you have to see size, how much the box size here. The box is there here. So box size you have to mention here. So box is larger and more detailed QR code, smaller values more code, more impact. And the border, border size, okay, border parameter says the number of modules to use for the border around the QR code. The border pair controls the width of the border, okay. And large values means wider border. If you want larger width means you have to use more border value. So I was using just fine, okay. So with this you have created a QR code object here. With QR code module, that class is there, QR code object is there. So, and next thing, which data you want to redirect, you have to write in data, okay. This data variable is there. So whatever variable here, you have to store in that variable, which whenever you scan the code, whenever you scan the QR code, it has to redirect it to some text or some link, okay. So you have to mention here. So that link generally I have in youtube.com. You can give anything. Okay, control C. So I have given here youtube.com. Okay, whenever I scan the code, it has to redirect to the youtube.com. Okay, or you can give any link or text also. You can give some sample text also you can give here. Okay, or any link or any social media link, whatever. Okay, so whenever you scan the code, you have to redirect to this data variable. Okay, this data variable. Okay, we have to show that redirect link into this variable. Okay, so simple, and we have to add this data to the QR code object. This use add data. Okay, add underscore data, pass the URL data. Simple. That means we are adding this data to the QR code object. Okay, and next thing is uh, make method is there. Here make method is there. Make method used to generate the QR code. Generate the QR code now. Okay, you got the data, and with the data you can generate the QR code using make. Okay, using fit is equal to parameter. This parameter is optional. When set to true, instructs the library to automatically determine the best QR code version and size to accommodate. Okay, so use QR code make method and use parameter fit is equal to true. Next thing is now, so successfully we have created some boxes here, version, boxes, border, and data, and now we have to give some image representation. For that you have to use QR method is that also for make images. Okay, make underscore image. So here, okay, QR code save make underscore image method is there. It creates the image representation of the QR code here. Okay, and you can specify to fill color and background color. You can mention it. You can also give parameters, fill color or background color, whatever. Okay, so I am giving fill color is equal to fill is equal to white or black I am giving, and background color white. Generally white will be there. Background color you can give whatever. Okay, background color or BG color, or background color only. It is equal to white. Okay, you white here, whatever I can give it here. BG color I think. Yeah, background color white here. Okay, black and white, whatever you can color give it here. You make a use image representation. Whatever you created version, boxes, border, and the data. With that you can create some image representation. It is okay, and just and store that in some variable if you want. Okay, I'm storing this image equal to variable here, and next thing is just save. That's it, simple. Use save method. Okay, use save method used to just save generate the QR code image to a file. So I am giving the example Python PNG. Okay, so okay, save that to some file here name. Okay, I am using in Python 2.png. Okay, another name I am giving, whatever name you can give here to save some file and show it. Okay, if you want to show after executing, just show here, show method. Simple. Second step. See, the show method used to display the QR code image. Okay, show method. Okay, not QR here, image here. Sorry, image. Image.save, image.show. So simple. Okay, simple. Enough finished. We have successfully generated the QR code with this link here, data. Okay, you can give any link here, whatever you're interested. You can give any link here, YouTube or Instagram, whatever, Twitter or whatever you can give it here, social media, whatever links or text also you can give here instead of it. Okay, just check the execute now. So QR is equal to add underscore, sorry, data is a date here. Okay, data. It's a data here. Okay, not date there. Just execute now. Okay, see, it generated the QR code link. Just open your mobile phone and just scan. Okay, camera, using camera or what, scan, just use scanner, or you can go to the camera also. Just open the mobile phone and open the camera, and just scan it, redirect it. Okay, just check it here. It's simple. Just scan it and go to the whatever mentioned link data here, whatever the you mentioned data, you can mention no data here, so it redirect to this link here. Okay, so thus we generated the QR code here. Simple one. Okay, Okay, simple one, right? And the simple program is simple project. This one is a very simple project. And if you want to know the inbuilt function, inbuilt code, inbuilt, if you want to know, suppose if you want to know the inbuilt this QR code functionality methods, and you want to know what are the attributes or methods are there in this QR code, just you have to story yeah, you have to use import this module. Okay, import this module. With this module you can, using this method, you can get the QR code. Okay, this QR code class, just check the output. See, these are the attributes and methods are there in this class. See, QR code class. See, init, self, version, box size, border. By default 10 or 4, we can give any number here. Okay, so these methods, property, decorators, these are there. You can check it here. Okay, if you want to know the inbuilt function, attributes and methods, you can just use inspect module. Okay, import this module, and with this module get source method is there. So in get source you have to write the class name. Okay, class's name or cure.code.cure. Okay, so that's simple. And that's about the QR code generator. Okay, and not only red color, you can give green color also. Just use here white. Should have white here, green. Check the output now. Not green here. White only, yeah. Python dot png, okay. Not green, I think. No? Just check the red one. Wait. Okay. Use Python dot 3 now, okay. 3. Background color. This is background color same, no? Sorry, back color. Yeah, some problem is there. Yeah, it's a black color. Use background color, not back color. Back underscore color, okay? Background color is back underscore color parameter here, okay? Yeah, right here. Now check it here now. See red here, okay? Background color red here, okay? So simple, you can give back color here, not background color. Back color means background color here, okay? But you have to write in the image method. So image method there is a back color parameter is there, okay? You have to write that down. Simple one. That's it. You can replace with any data with the text also. Okay, this data. Okay, so if you understand this project, just comment it, and there are descriptions will be given in the document description, and some Udemy links are there, so you can go through it. Okay, if you like it. Okay, and this description, this document I will be uploading descriptions, so you can check it here. Okay, and Udemy links will be given. Just update it. Updated Udemy links will be given. If you want, you can go through it. Okay, and if you want more projects like this, just comment it. Okay, thank you.